This is our friend Eason. His family owns a Chinese restaurant called Colette. In today's video, we will be going to the restaurant and eating food.
Okay, this is Andrew. He's like never been on the channel except for like one video, but he's here.
0 videos.
Andrew, say something then.
On the damn bench or something.
Okay, fine. Sit then. Sit then.
医生是吧？他们是等医生，我不知道为什么。我不知道为什么不能等医生来好啊。No, no, 他不说中文，他是 Korean， 他是 Korean。
Oh, that's speak Chinese?
No. Poor kid.
I can understand, but just like I can't speak it.
Yeah, I know you couldn't speak.
I can understand though. Like what?
Yo, Eason.
Oh, it's not being so on your fault. You gotta socialize.
Eason.
你们10个人了吗
Wait, do you know how to use chopsticks?
No.
You don't know how to use the chopsticks? No, they're gonna say to get water and like just like free drinks.
Are you sure?
So just get water.
Alright.
Stop running.
Bro, why would you ask that?
Make sure that you can like call. I'm not in the screen.
Guys, can we just order?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Bro, you know what Ethan did? Ethan like was pulling my arm.
We have extra money, right? Everybody bought extra money.
I have.
Yo, I figured it out. Look, I figured out how to use it.
Oh my goch, that's so cool.
Is that how you use it? Use more power. Grab it, grab it, grab it. Okay, go, grab.
It was not even close.
Oh, it's so hard.
Your plate.
Sorry.
他们不是有一个那个 Wait, I did not mean that. Nobody. Just那个 fried rice. The black truffle fried rice. Is it that big?
很多啦。
多大了这个？
那个 black truffle fried rice 多大呀？
玩这么大一盘，
绝对的呀。
哎，你 I want one.
God damn. Oh, I know where to get.
Wait, when do I record?
Doesn't matter, no,
Andrew. Yo, Dad, wanna
我不要，还是你选。It's fine, come on, 没事没事。
Yeah.
Alright guys, my rating. It's very crunchy and it's crispy and it's got a really good flavor.
It's fire. It's 10 out of 10 fire.
Yeah. Why not make salt? Guys, I want to try first.
Fine, hon.
Whoa,
Oh, that looks pretty good.
I feel like, yeah, getting two should be enough.
We're going to waste all his stomach.
Getting one is enough.
One is not enough for me. You realize.
It smells really nice. It smells like I ate the pineapple fried rice. This is like the best fried rice I've ever had. I rate it a 9 because like I feel like the truffle part, I'm not really getting like truffle stuff.
I don't know what Liam is saying. It's literally really strong like truffle. I can taste the truffle.
What does truffle taste
I
like?
don't taste it.
What is truffle? It has a distinct taste.
On your
Who ordered this?
We're not going to finish this. Yeah, I think he's dollar. I think he's dollar.
Alright, I'm ready to review. Alright, the meal, it was really good. The noodles were like, they had flavor. We'll go speed up.
Oh, hey, Oscar.
I'm gonna try the scallop fried rice. This is what's wrong. What do you mean? What am I on?
And then look at Hans. Hans is just playing Brawl Stars.
Don't look at me.
Zachary, what are you doing? Show your.
Give me a review.
it's not the crispiest fried chicken or chicken. But it's got like a really good orange flavor, and it's quite tangy. And the overall like quality of it is very good. It's good and it's very good. $300. Alright, now.
Oh my gosh. How much? How much? How much?
It doesn't say. It just says what we ordered.
Wow, that's really
No, because they give us a 75% discount.
no, like 150 or something.
Okay.
150.
This is definitely enough.
No, and calculate how much this is.
What about the tip?
No, yeah.
It's already in there.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay, wait, I'll give you the 20 back. I'll give you the 20 back.
Why? You want the 10?
I took the 20.
Yeah, you took the 20.
How about me? I have
Fine. Here's your 10.
Guys, let's start a show and go.
I think the wings are good. I don't know, not the. I think like the fried rice is the best part. I think it's one of the most W Chinese
Which
restaurants.
one?
The truffle one or the
truffle one.
The truffle
It's
one.
like the most W Chinese restaurant that doesn't serve dim sum. But I haven't had the dim sum here.
I think like the chicken wings, cause that's the first one, and that's like really special, like the flavor.
Either the orange chicken or the truffle fried rice.
Probably the guyu pork. I don't know if I'm saying that right.
What's a guyu pork? The gooey pork.
Good. Whatever.
You tried all of it, right?
Yeah, you tried all of it, right?
Food.
I like the orange chicken. Everything was really good, but the orange chicken was just like outstanding because it was like very crispy while also being extremely tangy. And it had some really good orange flavor.
Okay, and number one, everything was quite outstanding, but what really stood out was
What stood out was really good.
they were all crispy, they had great flavor. The truffle fried rice had really nice truffle flavor.
Summarize.
It did not taste artificial. It tasted really.
Bro, just rate it out of 10.
It was a 10 out of 10.
This place in Pasadena, it's really
It's
good. You guys,
It's affordable.
you guys should try it.
It's
If
really
you're ever
good
here,
Chinese food.
This is a good video to film.
It's some of the best.
Support Eason.
Yeah, support Eason.
We're gonna put a link down.